Hello friends, welcome to the channel BioCafe. Myself Mahesh Mahajan. Today we are going to discuss some of the most important fungal diseases in plants. This topic is going to be useful for the GATE Life Sciences examination. This topic I had taken from the botany section, particularly from the plant pathology part. Looking upon the previous year's paper, what I had found is that is from the year 2000 till 2020, there is a particular trend which is being followed, right? So there are certain diseases which are being focused upon and they are frequently asked. So I had done that particular research and noted all the important diseases which are there as well as their causative agents, and I had made this video. So please watch it till the end, and make sure that you are having your notepad as well as pen so that you can note them up while the video is going on. Fine, or else you can take the screenshot. Now without getting further delay, we are going to start this video. So first we are going to discuss about the potato diseases. So here the diseases which are mentioned, they are very important: early blight of potato, late blight of potato, ring rot of potato, black scurf of potato, and wart disease of potato. So there was one question which was asked previously. I don't know which the year was, but there they had asked all the diseases which are associated with the potato only in the match the following type in 2 marks in the botany section. Fine. So all these diseases were asked. So once again I'm saying this particular video is very important and you need to watch it carefully as well as note all the diseases as well as their causative agent in your notebook or wherever you are noting them down. Fine. So potato diseases, once again I'm saying it is very important. Then second type or second plant is your groundnut and the diseases which are associated with the groundnut. So only one disease is asked, and I had, once again I'm saying, that is from the year 2000 till 2020. Frequently this particular disease is getting asked, right? So Tika disease of groundnut is the most important disease which is associated with the groundnut, and the causative agent is Sarcospora personata. Then third is related to the wheat. So these are the diseases which are associated with the wheat, that is loose smut of wheat, leaf blotch of wheat, powdery mildew of wheat, and stem rust of wheat, and the respective causative agents are mentioned. I'm not repeating or I'm not reciting the names because as such you are aware that pronunciation is difficult as well as it will consume more of the time. So you can just take the screenshot or you can note it down. Then next is the banana disease, right? Only one important disease which is there associated with the banana is Panama disease of banana. So you need to do this disease well and you need to remember the causative agent as well, that is Eusarium oxysporum. Fine. Next is the diseases which are associated with the rice. So bunt of rice, Nigrospora disease of rice, and false smut of rice. So these are the important diseases which are associated with rice. Then next is sugarcane diseases. So ring rot of sugarcane, red rot of sugarcane, black rot of sugarcane, and the respective causative agents are mentioned. Once again I'm saying there are particular 9 plants and their pathological conditions which are associated, and I had noted them down in this particular video. Fine. By doing this 9 plants and their diseases, so you will be able to get your 2 marks easily. So moving further, grapes diseases. So here we are having two, that is downy mildew of grapes and crown gall of grapes. It is not fall, it is gall, please make the correction. Crown gall of grapes, and their respective causative agents are mentioned. Next is related to the corn diseases. So there are two again important, that is downy mildew of corn as well as loose smut of corn, and their respective agents are mentioned. Fine. So by doing all these diseases, you are able to solve that 2 marks question easily, which is coming in the form of match the following type. Right now I will be giving you 5 to 4 questions. You need to solve them up and you need to write their answers in the comment box so that I can understand whether you are getting the points or not. So apple diseases. So there are two important diseases which are associated with apple, that is scab disease of apple and black rot of apple. Fine. So you just note it down. So this is the first question which was asked previously in the GATE 2008 attempt, right? So you can see all the diseases which are there, they are associated with potato only, and their respective causative agents are mentioned. So you can give the answer in the comment box. Then again, the second question, you can easily find some of the diseases are associated with rice, some are associated with wheat, sugarcane, right? So this question was there in the year 2006. Then next, third question. So again, you can find there are different diseases which are asked related to rice, potato, and other stuff. And this question was there from the year 2011. Then again, next, this question is there from the year 2018. And at last, we are having the last question, and this question is there, I think, from the year 2003. What they are doing, they are simply just asking the name of the disease as well as their causative agent, right? So this particular video, I hope, will be useful for your GATE Life Sciences examination, which is going to be there in the February month. Fine. And if you had liked this video and if you had liked my work, so please share it, subscribe the channel, and share it as much as possible if you can, so that each and every one is getting the benefit of this particular video. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Stay healthy.